Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 8th, 2024, and we're diving into Insulet's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Insulet, a leader in tubeless insulin pump technology, has just released their Q3 2024 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their Omnipod 5 product line making significant strides.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Insulet reported a net revenue of $543.9 million for the third quarter of 2024, marking a 25.7% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
Absolutely. The primary driver is the Omnipod product line, which saw a revenue increase of 26.4%. The U.S. market contributed significantly with a 23.4% rise, while international markets surged by 36.1%. This growth is largely attributed to the recent FDA clearance for Omnipod 5 for type 2 diabetes, expanding their market reach.
And how has this revenue growth translated into profitability?
Insulet's net income rose to $77.5 million, or 108 cents per diluted share, up from $51.9 million, or 74 cents per share last year. This is a testament to their effective cost management and operational efficiencies, as seen in their gross margin improvement to 69.3%.
Strategic initiatives and product highlights. Insulet has been making strategic moves with their Omnipod 5 system. Can you tell us more about these initiatives?
Certainly. The FDA clearance for Omnipod 5 to be used by individuals with type 2 diabetes is a game changer, opening up a new demographic of 6 million potential users in the U.S. Additionally, the launch of the Omnipod 5 app for iPhone enhances user accessibility and convenience, likely contributing to their international revenue growth of 36.1%.
How does this position Insulet in the competitive landscape?
Insulet is setting new standards in diabetes management, being the first to offer an automated insulin delivery system for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. This positions them as a leader in the market with a strong competitive edge.
Financial outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Insulet has raised its full-year revenue guidance. What are the expectations?
Insulet has increased its revenue growth expectations to 20% for the full year, up from the previous 16 to 19%. This is supported by strong performance in both U.S. and international markets. They also anticipate a gross margin of approximately 69% and have raised their operating margin guidance to about 14.5%.
What does this mean for investors?
This upward revision in guidance reflects Insulet's confidence in their growth trajectory and operational efficiency. For investors, it signals a robust outlook and potential for continued value creation.
Risks and challenges. Despite the positive outlook, what risks should investors be aware of?
Insulet faces competitive pressure from other insulin delivery systems and technological innovations. Regulatory risks are also a concern, as any adverse findings could impact their product approvals. Additionally, supply chain disruptions remain a potential challenge, especially in the current global economic climate.
How is Insulet addressing these risks?
Insulet is actively investing in R&D to stay ahead of the competition and is working on expanding its distribution network to mitigate supply chain risks. Their proactive approach in managing these challenges is crucial for sustaining growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Insulet has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024, with significant revenue growth and strategic advancements in their Omnipod product line. John, any final thoughts on Insulet's investment prospects?
Insulet's robust financial performance and strategic initiatives position them well for future growth. The raised guidance and expansion into the type 2 diabetes market are particularly promising for long-term investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Insulet's performance in the comments below.